I was checking out this yesterday. It's blue. It's actually like a little portable. Blake's gonna really tell you about it. I like it a lot. Use it underwater, and I really think this is good for the industry.
Yeah, thanks, Jesse.
No problem.
Appreciate it. Yeah, this is the Nomad Mini here. We also have the Nomad. Basically, we originally designed these products to be used for recreational diving. A lot of people like to use it for cleaning the bottom of boats, fossil hunting, underwater metal detecting, but more and more people are using them for pool leak detection and anything you need to do underwater in the pool. Why it's so convenient? Because of how portable it is. So the Nomad Mini only weighs 12 pounds. It's battery operated. This unit is ready to go, and whenever you inhale, it's gonna pump air from the surface, compress it, and send it down the hose so that you can dive without scuba tanks. And if you need additional runtime, you can always just swap the battery out here. You can bring it on the plane if you want to travel and have fun with it. Nomad Mini, it's going to get you down to a max depth of 15 feet. The bigger one, the Nomad, will get you to a max depth of 30 feet.
Right now, I'm the only PADI certified diver on my whole company. And for me to go out and do leak detections, or after the guys do leak detections, to go in the pool is very difficult to get me to the backyard. With having this, it makes life a lot easier. One, it could be in the van, doesn't take up a lot of space. The guy could do a leak detection, and then go to the van, get this, go underwater, and not have 3 people with him. He can have by himself. He goes underwater, takes care of everything, stays down in the water, doesn't have to get back and forth after running out of air. You don't have to go to the store to get tanks. Or if you want to go on vacation, take it with you, and you have a great time out in the ocean.
We do have a full free training course, so you can take the entire training course prior to using it.
And that's all online, found on your website?
Yeah, BLU3.com.
Right here. All right, thanks, Blake.
Yeah, I appreciate it.
Cool.